In this video, I will show you the easiest way to self-host n8n and use it for free. To do so, you need to install Docker. So you go on this website, you will find it in description. You go on Get Docker, you install it for Mac, Windows, or Linux. Once this is done, you open Docker Desktop, you go on the search bar and you search for n8n. You will find this one, n8n io/n8n, and you pull it. After this, you will just need to wait a little bit. Just a small specification, when you search for n8n here, you search in images. Once this is done, we will configure it. So you find the new line here, n8n io/n8n, and you click on run. Then click on optional settings. You can name it n8n local, for example. We will fill the port and the container path. So let's go on n8n documentation and see what we should enter here. So I have also opened this page. I will share the link also in description. But basically the port is 5678, your local host. And the path is this one, /home/node/.n8n. So let's go back on Docker and fill this. So as we said, the port is 5678 and the container path is /home/node/.n8n. And for the host path, you can create a folder on your desktop and just open it. To do so, you just need to click on the three dots. Once this is done, you can just run it. So now, as you can see, the editor is now accessible via this link. Let's test this. Now I have access to n8n and create my workflow for free. If you have any issue while doing this, let me know in the comment. Thank you for watching.